Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use split screen in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to use split screen in your iPhone, so let's see how can you do that. So basically in your iPhone there's no any original or any iPhone system to use split screen, but you can still do that. So very first, I recommend you have to try to update your software. So to prevent any kind of issues, so simply open your general, go to software update, and you just have to make sure that you are on the latest version of iOS. There is no any pending update for your iPhone. If you find, just try to update your app. Just try to update your software. After updating your software, you have to simply go back from here and I recommend you have to also check for your iPhone storage that is running. You have almost 10 to 15 GB free with your iPhone storage to download, install, and run anything as smooth. So after doing this, you have to simply go back, open your app store, go for search, and simply search for split screen. After searching for this, you will get a lot of apps providing the service. So I have installed this one, so you can also try this, or you can use any of app from this from here. So let's say I'm going to select this one. I have already installed that app. So you have to simply tap on the open option, and the app will be open in your phone. Now you just have to wait for the interface, or sometimes you might see any kind of ads. You just have to try to skip that ads. Once you have skipped here, you can see this. It's is split screen, so you can use your browser in the split screen, or you can use dual windows at the same time. So let's say I'm gonna open YouTube in my first window and Facebook in my second window. So in this way, you can easily use split screen or dual windows and your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.